Hey guys, so I have new shoes, and then I'm going to open the box with you guys. So yeah. Alright, so I opened it and it looks beautiful. So now I'm going to open here. It's so pretty. Now you can try them on some. I think it's good. Let me try the different. Hey, calm down. Are you jealous that I have new shoes? Funny. They're so pretty. I really like them. Funny also. But like and subscribe, and if you can, please leave a comment. If you like it.